Welcome to Guy's Grocery Games. 4 all-star celebrity chefs are ready to rock this market. First up, we've got cookbook author, winner of Season 4 of the Next Food Network star. Give it up for McCargo Jr. Next up, acclaimed pastry chef and culinary instigator. You love her. This is Elizabeth Falkner. Then we've got celebrated chef, Iron Chef winner, and Chopped Grand Champion. You love him on Triple G. Give it up for Madison, Cowan.
I'm just a ragamuffin from Brixton. I do.
And this wouldn't be an all-star battle without this cat. Super chef who led his restaurant to Michelin star success. Give it up for the Greek wonder, Psilakis.
What defines me as a chef is really being Greek.
Let's make history and combine the dreaded frozen food feud with can.
Oh.
So, you can only shop from the frozen food aisle in canned food items. And remember, we don't go until it's 3, 2, 1, go. Olé. Ooh, some cauliflower florets. You're only making it for 4 plates, not 400.
Then I'm gonna make some grilled lobster and langoustines in a hollandaise kind of sauce.
So I'm thinking I'm going to bring the beef back, and I'm going to give these judges, my mom, Julia May, one of her things, a seared salmon cake with sauteed artichokes and asparagus.
I'm making a seared salmon with a seared scallop. For the ragu, I know that it needs to be seasoned well, so I grabbed garlic and coriander, but they're pretty much in a raw state. I don't have the time to saute them, so I just put it right into the ragu sauce. I wonder if the judges are going to take it easy on me.
2 minutes, 2 minutes left.
So I taste the soup, it's just too sweet. So I add some onions, a bunch of salt and pepper. Hopefully, it's gonna be good.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop cooking.
Nice.
First up will be Chef Psilakis.
I made 2 courses here. First course is a faux cauliflower velouté. For the main course, Alaskan halibut, used a veal demi-glace.
Michael, the soup, love the depth of flavor that you got from the brown butter and the caramelized onions.
Great texture and cooking on your halibut.
Up next, Chef Madison Cowan. What do you have for us?
I did a seared salmon with a seared scallop over edamame sweet corn ragu.
Madison, I think you could sell me that this wasn't frozen. Scallops are cooked really well. That could have been a disaster. Seafood was cooked, excellently.
Up next, Chef Elizabeth Falkner. What have you made for us?
So I made grilled lobster and langoustines in a medley of canned vegetables with a little curry.
Chef Falkner, artichokes and hearts of palm work so well together.
Up next, Mr. McCargo Jr. What do you got for us?
I made a seared salmon cake with sauteed artichokes and asparagus.
Your cake, actually, to me, is really smart use of a frozen fish. It's moist and alive, and it tastes she.
One chef has to be sent home, and that chef will be a guy that doesn't lose very often, McCargo Jr. I want you to make the judges a relaxing weekend brunch. Have a great time, and 3, 2, 1, and go.
And they're off.
Relaxing brunch. So I know something that I would enjoy is okonomiyaki with bacon.
For my weekend brunch, I'm gonna have to bake something. I grab some cream, eggs, and then I get some Greek yogurt. I wanna have a lot of options.
I'm thinking steak and eggs, but we gotta put a twist on it. Steak tartare.
I smash the potatoes and then I bung them into the fryer along with a bit of rosemary and garlic because I want to perfume the potatoes as well.
1 minute and 45 seconds.
With this charity involved, it's a whole different level of anxiety. I'm keeping my fingers crossed on this one.
Oh gosh, I gotta get those cakes. So I take one out and I taste it. This little muffin cake thing is actually really tasty.
60 seconds. Let's go, Elizabeth. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop working.
Nice.
First up, Elizabeth Falkner.
So I ended up doing quinoa with some dried cranberries and making a fennel and bacon braise.
I love the idea of quinoa for breakfast. It's a really nice textural element to a breakfast that you don't usually see.
All right, next up, Chef Michael Psilakis. What do you got for us, Chef?
I made a shrimp tartare.
The salad is just unreal. I mean, this will get people to eat cauliflower and grapefruit.
Last but not least, Chef Madison. What do you got, buddy?
So I just sear the steak. You can't do steak without potatoes, with a little bit of garlic and rosemary.
I don't know if I call it a salsa verde, but it's fantastic. It is so good.
The chef that will be checking out in round 2 will be Chef Falkner. For this final challenge, I want you both to really strut your stuff. I want you to show your goods. I want you to make your best dish.
Our best dish?
Your best dish. 3, 2, 1, go ways. Go get them.
Corn marries so well with pork. I'm making a tangy chocolate and maple glazed pork loin.
So I only have 3 aisles. My plan for this first part is a corn and saffron risotto with sweet prawns. I don't have enough time to make a risotto in the traditional way, so I have to grab the pressure cooker, get the risotto cooking. I know I want to introduce heat, and that Thai chili does it so well. So it's gonna go right into that vinaigrette, but I don't want to waste time shucking an oyster. So I say to myself, why don't I just put it into that stock, reinforce more flavor from the ocean, let them open up, and then pull it.
How many dishes is Michael Psilakis making right now? He's got some sort of clam corn chowder. He's got a risotto. He's got some sort of acidic thing with the oyster. I mean, sometimes you can do too much.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop working. Nice job, chefs. Woo! Woo! Yeah! Chef Madison, what do you have for us?
Right, I did a tangy chocolate glazed pork tenderloin, and then I did sort of like a corn pancake Johnny cake. I also did a polenta.
Madison, that glaze that you got on that tenderloin, I love that.
Up next, Chef Michael Psilakis.
Okay, so when you throw corn, like, then corn's got to be the star for me. So 2 wasn't enough. I did 3 ways. I started by making a corn clam chowder with Meyer lemon. The oyster is served in a corn and grapefruit vinaigrette. And then I started the risotto off in a pressure cooker, added saffron, and then I just threw in prawns and let the heat of the risotto just cook the prawns gently.
Tasty food, corn and everything. Not sure that anything specifically screams, like you're saying, corn.
The chef that will be leaving us will be Chef Madison. So here's what I got for you, buddy. I got 2 minutes on the clock. For every item that you grab, you put in the basket, you'll get $2,000. You hit all 10 aisles, you get $20,000 for your charity.
All right, let's do it.
You can go in 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, he already left. $10,000, meat tenderizer.
I'm running down aisle 6, not even stopping, grab it.
Ah, there you go. See that smiling face? Aisle 7, 16-ounce bag of coconut flour.
Coconut flour? Seriously, man? There's like 20 bags of flour. Guy, give me a break, dude.
Coconut. Go, 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 go. Get and we're running cookies.
I need to get this last 2K, and boom.
$16,000. That's it. Time's up.
Time up. I'm good at 16K.
For your charity, you just won $16,000. Chef Psilakis, you're the man, brother. Congratulations. That is huge, man.